I've been expecting you. Hi, I'm BoxNest Nightingale. So basically the guys were like, you should do hair because you do hair. I'm a hairstylist also.
Yeah.
Side note. Sure. How does that fit this thing at all? Yeah, so they were just like, we're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. And I like universally great on like trying to do like a Sailor Moon, but then I'm like, who has yellow hair? And so then I was like, oh my god, what about doing anime styled hair that is totally like IRL worthy, you know? Like how Sailor Moon would do it if she was a real life person and had short brown hair. Turn the viewfinder over so I can
Oh,
see
whoops.
my face.
Haha, there you go.
Okay. So my hair's straightened, obviously, and I've got it split in the center because she too has a center part. So with a comb, you're gonna fix up your center part a little bit, get it all the way down the back of your head, like so. Okay, like I know it's kind of off, but I'm at a boy's house, like there's no mirrors.
We have mirrors in the bathroom.
Yeah, but like, are we gonna take the camera into the bathroom?
I don't know.
He's sitting on the toilet doing my hair, so he's gonna find a mirror. I'm going to continue to do my hair. Product placement. I just kind of wanted to like throw that out there. Anyway, so you're gonna take one section because it's really hard to do something to yourself and keep a clean section. Okay, so I've clipped one hair out. Then you take this hair, and with hairspray, I'm using.
Is that his spray as well?
Hairspray? Is it hairspray? Like her, my her. Anyway, sexy hair, healthy, sexy hair. Soy touchable, infused with argan oil from Morocco. It's a good hairspray. I like it. It smells good, and I like sexy hair products. Anyway, so you're going to here take out whatever bang section you have. I mean, if you don't have bangs, you don't really have to take out a bang section. But I have bangs, and you know who also has bangs? Sailor Moon. So, bangs, okay? Now, obviously, if your hair is not straight, you don't have to do it. I straightened my hair. It's okay, you can find a mirror. I'm doing this. So, like, you don't have to have a mirror, or have curly hair, or straight hair, or whatever. I straightened my hair, okay? It was just easier. My hair was a mess this morning. Anyway, so, or bristle brush, but in this sense, it's just a crappy thingy brush. Anyway, so take the brush, and you're gonna brush it upwards and backwards to kind of the crown of your head, okay? Not exactly there, but to the offside. Okay? So Raven's here chilling with me. It's gonna be funny. I cried a little. Okay, so once you've got it to like supreme highness, okay, spray, hairspray, spray that shit. And fun tip for hairspray stuff. When you're spraying your hair and you want the hair to go in a certain direction, spray the hairspray in that direction so you don't get as many fuzzies. So spray it and spraying again, okay? Spraying. Alright, once you do the spraying, take the brush again. And pull that shit back. Yep. Sorry guys. And then find the elastic so you can't find. Found them. Little elastic. Okay, taking it. And gonna tie a high ponytail, okay? Okay. High ponytail. Got it? cool. It looks stupid, I look like them too. Second side. Pulling apart bangs again. So you can't see it, but the guys are having some weird non-verbal conversation from one room to the other.
He's dancing.
Oh, he's dancing! Can't see it at all. So we know he's dancing, okay guys? Okay, anyway, so.
Sorry, I didn't want anything else. Just over here.
He's trying to kill his side.
We're pulling this side up. Okay, hairspraying again. Again, in the direction that you want your hair to go. Taking the brush again. Pulling it back. Like this. I wish everyone could see your cool moves.
Yeah.
And like that seductive pose you're doing right now, actually. And then taking the hair tie. Again. And trying to get even. But like that's really hard. So we're just gonna, you know, okay? 2 ponytails. I'm realizing they're kind of not even. But we're gonna, whatever. Anyway, so bangs are down. I feel like this is what Harley Quinn would look like if she had brown hair and was too big.
Well, if we want to know, let's ask her.
Oh my goodness, is that Harley?
Of course I am, sweetheart.
Hey girl, what's up?
Not much.
Oh, are you having fun?
Of course I am. Jeez, what would...
Anyway, we're gonna continue on. I hope you enjoyed this Harley.
I had fun.
Okay, so now that part's over, you're going to section your little ponytail. Okay, take a small section from your big clump. Okay, leave it down. With this one, I'm gonna spray it first. Just spray it. I don't like teasing it because my hair's already like abnormally thick. So, but like if you've got little baby hairs and stuff, or like thin hair, spray it, okay? Anyway, so I'm twisted it, okay? I've pulled it to one side, twisted it a little bit, and then I'm gonna pull it around in like a bun formation, okay? Nice little bun thing. Okay, a little pom-pom ear. Then you're gonna take a whole bunch of bobby pins and pin that ish down, like so. Take as many as you need because, you know, bobby pins. Okay, that's one side. You're gonna repeat this step onto the other side. Come side. Go. Spray that ish. You're gonna brush that ish. You're gonna twist it. This is when like you forget which way you twisted the hair, and then you decide that it doesn't matter which way. And you're like, it's gonna look okay. Okay, you know it does matter. So you're gonna remember which way you twisted your first side, and do it. I think I did wrong again. Okay, this way. You're gonna twist it around. So twist around the back end, and then pull it forward. You're twisting it around the ponytail. I feel like that wasn't clear. And you're leaving this part sticking at the bottom, okay? So another little hand to ear pom-pom thing. Then you do some jazz hands kind of stuff. It's cute what they're doing. It's beautiful. Dance flirtation. I read it. Anyway, so you've pinned it. It doesn't look the same, but that's okay. Pull on it. It doesn't look the same because one side's bigger than the other. Alright? One length is longer than the other. It's a thing, okay? Not all of us are perfect, like, but you're gonna spray it, okay? You're gonna hairspray. Okay, then for the ends, because her ends are not straight, okay? They have a little swirly thing. So you're gonna spray it. This is Style Sexy Hair by Sexy Hair. 450 degrees headset. Has 7 shine and 7 hold. I guess that's their levels of shine and stuff. Anyway, love it. It's pretty good. I don't like it for straightening because it makes things hard and crispy, but for curls, it does wonders. It holds it in place. Anyway, so you're gonna take a comb after, and then you're gonna comb the product through to the ends because you're just going to curl the ends a little bit. Okay, so I have my straightener on, and I think I'm gonna curl it outward. So you'll take the straightener. Oh, you can't hear that sizzle. I can hear that sizzle. And you're gonna pull that guy down there. One little curl. And then you're gonna do it on this side. Simple. Just take your spray. Spray that. Comb it through. And you're going to do this again. And if your hair sizzles, hopefully that's just product and not your hair burning. Okay, so I messed that one up. I'll try again. Curling. Okay, so it did a curl, which is what you want. Then, once again, hairspray, set the curl. Probably does. Nothing that hairstylists do is good for the environment. Fun fact, hairstylists are one of the only industries that are still allowed to pour pure chemicals down the sink. Okay, so then to fix my bangs, I want to kind of make them look a little more Sailor Moon-esque because she's got the little heart-shaped thing going on in the center of her face. I'm gonna curl my bangs inwards a little bit. Like that. And I'm gonna set more with hairspray. Okay. Then I'm going to use blonde sexy hair. I know I'm not blonde, but this is a Shining Star shine spray, basically. It's wonderful. There's chamomile in it, honey, and quinoa. Like, did you guys know that you could put quinoa in a hairspray?
I don't even know what quinoa is.
I'm gonna curl this a little better. It's like in salad, I think. It's like a grain. Is it a grain? Yeah, you eat it.
Oh, they just put it in salad.
Anyway, so I'm gonna use this quinoa spray, and I'm going to spray it. It's gonna add a nice shine.
Look at that shine like that.
And obviously there's a little bit of hair sticking out, so I'm gonna pin that down. Basically, you do all your finishing touches. My finishing touch is going to involve sparkle spray, because loving. Okay, so Be Wild Jerome Russell hair and body glitter. So I'm just gonna spray that onto my little bun thing. You obviously can't see the sparkles, but they're there. And like, Dante's house is going to be very sparkly. And I'm going to spray the curl thing. Or what are you doing? Zooming in or something? I got my neck. Okay, it's really scary. It's like you're spraying spray cream on you. But I swear you're not going to die. It's great. Okay. And this is also my dad's shirt. Now it's covered in sparkles. I don't think he's going to be okay with that. Anyway. Hairspray again. And that, my friends, is the look. I know some people aren't gonna enjoy it, but I think it's kind of cute. You could wear this to like a gala, prom,
Conventions.
conventions.
My dad Expo or Comic Con.
Anime North,
Anime North.
maybe?
Yeah.
Like the one I was in.
There's video proof of that
I did a vlog, hashtag vlogs.
right here.
This ad brought to you by another BoxNest video.
Yes! Good grocery shopping look also, I think.
Swear I
First day of school.
feel like looking like so.
Would look really good on a 3-year-old.
Would also look great if you were a magical girl.
I didn't know she's on that.
And that's probably all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Hopefully there'll be more. Suggest anime characters or any characters, to be honest. Any kind of character. I'm trying to fix my bangs because I don't like how they look, but suggest things. I'll try to do it. Obviously I don't have a lot of hair, but if I do need more hair, I can extensions, I can use someone else. It's cool. Alright. Catch you later.
I like to take that.
Hi. BoxNest Nightingale.
Who was there?
I'm Ruby. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, that's not what I. Oh god. Okay.
Okay. We're making progress though.
Just whenever you calm down.
Restart. It's all good. I mean, the first part was good, so we'll keep that.
Well, I mean, she said BoxNest Nightingale, who was there, and I meant like the actual location, and she was like, "I'm Ruby."
Knock knock. Who's there? Nightingale.
And then,
God. Oh.
should I just continue?
Yeah,
Yeah, just continue
This
because
one's
we
on
can edit.
me.
We
Sorry,
can edit.
guys. BoxNest
Okay,
Alpha.
so just start from. Hi, I'm BoxNest Nightingale. Let's go with that.
Hi. I'm BoxNest.
Is it staring at your own face? Because
No, but like I need to see it.
I'll turn it around when you need it.
Okay.
you want us to get you a mirror or something?
Hi. So.
Oh, let's start over.
We can have bloopers, it's fine.